In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to create and manage your website. Let's get started. First, navigate to wix.com and log into your account. This is your gateway to all the tools and features that Wix offers. Once you've successfully logged in, look for the option that says Edit Site. Clicking this will take you directly into the heart of your website's design and management hub. Now that you're inside the editor, one of the first things you can do is switch between breakpoints. This is an essential feature of Wix that allows you to design your website for various screen sizes: desktop, tablet, and mobile. By clicking the desktop option, you're focusing on users who visit your site from larger screens. If you click tablet, you can adjust the layout for medium-sized screens, ensuring it looks great on tablets. Finally, mobile helps you fine-tune everything for those browsing from their phones. Wix adapts your site automatically across devices, but having manual control through breakpoints is invaluable for perfecting the user experience. Once you grasp the concept of switching between breakpoints, you can dive deeper into editing elements within each one. For a specific breakpoint, you can easily resize and reposition elements. This only impacts how they'll appear on that particular screen size. Adjusting font sizes and line spacing is crucial to maintain readability across all devices. When dealing with mobile, it's often useful to turn multi-column layouts into stacked sections. Plus, hiding heavier elements like large images or videos on mobile devices can significantly improve loading times. Responsive design tools in Wix offer additional flexibility. Features like docking let you pin items to either side or center to control the placement. The scaling tool allows text and images to resize proportionally, ensuring consistent appearance throughout. When using Flexbox and grids, rest assured your content stacks and resizes smoothly. One key aspect of Wix Studio is its cascading system, where changes made on the desktop version typically flow down to tablet and mobile, but not vice versa. It's best practice to finalize your desktop design first before refining tablet and mobile versions. With your design refined across devices, head over to Preview. This critical step lets you manually adjust your browser window's size to see responsive elements in action. Additionally, testing on actual devices like phones, tablets, and laptops is a great way to catch any discrepancies. Once satisfied with your site's look and functionality, it's ready to go live. Simply click the publish button and your updated design will become visible to all visitors. Finally, hit done to wrap up your editing session. Congratulations, you've successfully navigated managewix.com and editor.wix.com to design a responsive, user-friendly website.